Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to print ABS without any issues. I think you will love this method. I definitely love it. After so much pain, since I got my first printer, I've had no luck printing ABS. But um, the current the last project I had to do required me to have a better material like ABS. So, anyways, there are three things you wanna keep in mind when you're printing ABS. Is there there are the first thing you want to keep in mind is the making sure the bed is level. By level I mean like it's really good. Like you don't want to just do a halfway job. You want to make sure it's really good and level throughout the whole uh, building surface. The second is your adhesive. So adhesive is what I use for adhesive. What I use is a hairspray. What you want to do is buy buy a stronger hold hairspray. And third is you want to make sure your bed is heated. Like the reason why you want to have your bed heated is that hairspray is made of polymers, and these polymers are sensitive to temperature. And so when you have a very heated bed, a big heated bed, the polymers stick to the bed and they stick to your object, to your plastic, really, really good. And then um, once you finish printing, you let it cool. You can either just take it off and just set it on a cold, like let's say a table, and then just wait a couple of minutes, and then it should cool off, and you might be able to try it off. But I've noticed with larger objects, this larger surface area, it's really, really difficult to take it off. So what you want to do is put it in the freezer. So colder you go, actually really easy to take it off. So that's what I do. So I just throw it in the freezer, and 5 minutes later, I could take my new printed object just with my pinky. Like, it's really easy. So okay, guys, I hope this guide helps you. Let me know if you have any issues or concerns. So um, one last thing I want to include is the cost of the whole process. It's really cheap. I bought hairspray for around $2, and that will last me like a whole year probably. And I printed on glass. I haven't tried um, on any other surfaces like what do you have, the build tack and stuff. I don't have that, so I just print on glass. So the glass I bought is from Lowe's, just a hardware store, and they will custom cut. Um, depending on your depending on the size of your bed. Mine was let me see, let me show you. I can't flip, but so I got I believe it's 8 by 9 inch glass. So I've got a bigger piece, and they cut it to size. So I have multiple print beds, I guess. So I just replace it once I'm done. So I take it out, put it in the freezer, do whatever, and I have multiple of these, and I just you know take it out and put it back in, and I'll just keep going. So see, I have several of these. The way I secure them to my bed is, as you can see, let me show you. I have these office clips. We just grip. They're small and really good. They don't really damage anything, so they are good. The first time you get your glass, you wanna basically, I don't know. In my case I have um aluminum heating bed, so I don't want to have glass, like hard surface touching the hard surface. So I've put on blue masking tape, but you could use pretty much any other tape, but make sure it doesn't melt. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's not really high temperature you go to. I print I print my ABS at 150 degrees, or not 150, 110 degrees Celsius. So I mean, you probably could do less, but higher temperature is better because it will hold better. But you don't want to go too high. So if you go to 30, plastic will melt. Anyways, what else? So the way you wanna apply hairspray is very evenly. So here you go. This is my hairspray I use. Price chopper. Yep, I bought a price chopper. Anyways, you just spray it evenly, and then you set your temperature, preheat your bed, put it to 100 degrees or whatever, and let it sit there for 5 minutes. Once your first layer dries, you put the second layer, and then the third layer. And if you need more, I mean, you don't need really try 2 first, and then if it works, then just leave 2. But if it comes off, or if you start seeing warping, especially with big objects, you want to have more layers because they'll have bigger forces that are acting on the object. And basically, yeah, apply and then let it dry. And then what you want to do once it dries, you want to level your bed. So I think that way is the best way to go, because you make sure that the height is good. Like you don't want to level your bed and then just apply a lot of hairspray. You might change the thickness though. So just do that. Apply a hairspray first, let it dry, multiple layers, and then adjust your bed and start printing. Happy printing. Try it out. Let me know. Bye.